Imagine making $100 a day, every single day, without any special skills, just by using AI. Rocket sounds crazy, right? But in 2025, AI is making it easier than ever to start an online business, automate tasks, and generate passive income with minimal effort. Today, I'll show you 5 AI tools that you can use right now to start making money online, whether you're a complete beginner or just looking for new income streams. Stay till the end, because I'll reveal a bonus AI tool that could 10x your earnings. Let's dive in. AI tool number 1: AI content creation. First up, AI-powered writing. If you can copy and paste, you can make money with this. AI writing tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, and WriteSonic can generate blog posts, social media captions, and even entire ebooks in minutes. Here's how you can make money. Checkmark: start a blog and use affiliate marketing to earn commissions. Checkmark: sell AI-generated blog posts and product descriptions on Fiverr or Upwork. Checkmark: use AI to write YouTube scripts for content creators and charge per script. People are making $50, $200 per article without writing a single word themselves. And the best part? You don't need to be a professional writer, just edit and refine AI-generated text. AI tool number 2: AI graphic design and branding. Not a designer? No problem. AI tools like Canva AI, Midjourney, and DALL-E can generate stunning designs in seconds. How can you make money? Lightbulb: sell AI-generated logos, social media graphics, and branding kits on Etsy or Fiverr. Lightbulb offer YouTube thumbnail design services. Creators pay big bucks for eye-catching thumbnails. Lightbulb: create and sell print-on-demand products, AI-generated artwork on t-shirts, mugs, and posters. A lot of people are already making $500 plus per month just selling AI-generated art. And with platforms like Redbubble and Printify, you don't even need to handle shipping. AI tool number 3: AI voiceover and video automation. Now, let's talk about AI voiceovers and video creation. You don't need to be on camera or even record your own voice. Tools like 11 Labs and Murph AI generate ultra-realistic voiceovers, while Pictory and Synthesia can create entire videos with AI avatars. How to turn this into cash? Studio Microphones sell AI-generated voiceovers for ads, podcasts, or explainer videos. Clapperboard: start a faceless YouTube automation channel where AI creates videos for you. VideoCam offer video ad creation services to businesses using AI tools. You can easily charge $50, $200 per voiceover or monetize a YouTube channel without ever showing your face. AI tool number 4: AI-powered dropshipping and e-commerce. Want to make money while you sleep? AI can automate an entire e-commerce business for you. Rocket AI tools like Shopify Magic, Sell the Trend, and ChatGPT can checkmark find trending products for dropshipping. Checkmark write product descriptions and ad copy. Checkmark automate customer support with AI chatbots. With AI handling the hard work, you just set up the store and let the orders roll in. Many dropshippers make $1,000 plus per month with just a few hours of work each week. AI tool number 5: AI investing and trading bots. Want AI to make money for you? AI investing and trading bots use machine learning to predict market trends and execute trades automatically. Here's what you need: Upward Trend Trade Ideas, AI stock trading assistant. Bargraph Crypto Hopper automates crypto trading. Moneybag Numerai uses AI to manage investment strategies. With just $100, $500, you can start using AI to trade for passive income. While there's risk involved, AI trading removes the emotional decisions that cause most beginners to lose money. Bonus AI tool: AI affiliate marketing. Here's a bonus AI side hustle that's making people thousands per month: AI-powered affiliate marketing. Rocket use ChatGPT to create SEO-optimized blog posts with affiliate links. Rocket use AI chatbots to answer Quora and Reddit questions with your affiliate links included. Rocket create TikToks and YouTube Shorts with AI-generated content to promote affiliate products. Many marketers make $5,000 plus per month just by using AI to scale their affiliate earnings. Conclusion and call to action: 12 o'clock 1300. And there you have it, 5 powerful AI tools, plus a bonus, that you can use right now to start making $100 a day or more with no special skills. Which method are you going to try first? Drop a comment below. And if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss my next video on AI business hacks. Rocket, thanks for watching. Now go start making money with AI.